Hello friends, welcome to the channel tutorclass.com. Okay, in the last session we have discussed some tips and tricks in JavaScript in part 1. Okay, so we are here with another part 2 with some tips and tricks of JavaScript. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so trick 1, how to flatten the array of the array. That means in example you have an array here. Inside that you have another array. That means nested array is there. You can see 1 2 3 500 comma there is another array 1 2 inside there is another array. Okay, so this type of array you are getting. Okay, so how can you flat this array? So array dot flat. Okay, array dot flat, which was introduced after ES6. After ES6. Okay, so when you pass the infinity inside the array dot flat, you will get your output. Okay, as flat 1 2 3 500 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 2 3 4 1 2. Similarly, what are the things in array in a single array? Okay, so array dot flat, and you will pass infinity here. Okay, okay, coming to the next question. Easy exchange of variables. How can you easily exchange your variables without the help of third variable? Okay, so for example, you have an a equal to 6 and b equal to 7. So we want to exchange values. Okay, so this is the destructing pattern. Okay, destructings in JavaScript, which helps you to write you in square bracket a and b, and here b comma a, so that b value will be assigned to a and a value will be assigned to b, and in console you will get the output if you will console a comma b. Okay, so with the help of destructing, you can easily exchange your variables without the help of third variable. Okay, now come to the third trick. Sort alphabetically. Okay, so let's suppose you have an array here B C B A and you want to sort it alphabetically. Okay, so you can use array dot sort a comma b and a dot local compare with b. If you will do like this, you will get your alphabetically sorted array as output. Okay, that means a dot local compare with b. Okay, inside your sort. Okay, now come for the fourth one, generate range of numbers. If you want to generate an array of numbers between any range, like here you can see an example, we have a start from 1000 and in between 1500. Okay, so you want to generate some array, okay, from between these numbers. So you can see new array int +1 comma keys. Okay, and then slice start. Okay, array dot from length this and start +1. Then you will get like this. So you are using here new array. Okay, and you are using array dot from. Okay, okay, so next come to the next trick, sort in the console log. Okay, so if you want to console something but you don't want to write console log many times, okay, so here you can create a variable c like console.log, and you will bind the document scope inside the console log. And now in c you will, if you will pass something, you will get the output as a console. So simply you have to bind the document scope inside your console log. Now come to the next one, sorting an array in an easy way. So how can you sorting your array easily? Okay, let array, this is an array. You will call this array dot length equal to 2. So now the length of the array will be 2. That means A and B will be retained, otherwise and the rest all C, D, E, F will be deleted. Okay, so we'll get your new array as A, comma B. Use each number. So each number we are creating a function that will check whether the number is the given input is a number or not, and it will return boolean true or false. So we have here checking the is not a number, parse float number, and is infinite. Okay, so if you will console log with some value, you will get true. In float, you will get true. If you are using the string, then it will be false. So you can easily create your own method to check each number. Okay, coming to the next one, each string. So similarly for string, you can create your own method to check whether the given input is true. String. It will return boolean, true or false. Okay, so you can easily check with type of value. If the type of value is string, that means your input is a string, so it will give you true. Okay, check null. Similarly, you will create a method to check null. Value is equal to null, or value is equal to undefined. If you will check with null, it will give true. Okay, it will give true. If it is blank, then it also gives you true. If it is 1, 2, 3, then it is false. If it is string, it is false. Okay. Now merge array into one. Let's suppose you have two array 1 equal to JavaScript, Python, C Sharp, and array 2 equal to Dart, Java, and C Sharp. Okay, and now you want to merge both array. So merge array equal to array 1 concat array 2. You will get the merged array as JavaScript, Python, C++, Dart, Java, and C Sharp. So array1 dot concat, and you will pass the array 2. You will get a new array in merge array. Okay. Now next one is quick calculate performance. So you want to check your method that how much time it is taking in execution. So you can easily create a performance log. So here you can see constant start time performance.now. Performance.now is used to capture the current time in millisecond. Okay, and you will write your own program inside some program, and then you will have end time performance.now. Now you will subtract end time from start time. Okay, and you can easily console the total time taken in millisecond. Okay, so the key is performance.now is used to log your performance of any execution. Now, how can you remove duplicates from the array? So the easiest way is to use this spread operator with the help of set. Okay, so set in JavaScript is basically stores the unique things. Okay, so it has the key, or you can say value. Okay, it doesn't exist with both. Okay, so whatever the thing it stores will be unique. It can be of any data type. Okay, so we will use this spread operator with the help of new set array. When you pass this a normal array like which have duplicate values, it will store that only unique one. Okay, and it will return this as a iterable object. So this is the simplest way to remove duplicates in one line. Now come to the next one, convert number to binary. So let's suppose you have a number that is 200 and you want to convert 200 into binary digit. Okay. So how can you do? Number dot to string and you will pass 2. 2 represent here to convert the number into binary. Similarly, if you have 300, then you will have to pass number dot to string with 2. Then you will get the binary of. Okay. Now come to the next one, character E for excessive 0. Let's suppose you have a number and it has this much of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 0 are there. Okay. So the good way is to write with the help of E. Okay. Number 2 equal to 2E7. That means you have 7 times 0 there. Okay. So if you will console or calculate with help of number 2, we have original value of whatever the 70 with 70. That means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 2 crore. Okay. Now come to the last one. Make array empty. How can you make your array empty in the shortest way? So simply use the array dot length equal to 0 so that the length will become 0 and the array will have any value. Okay. So now you can see if you will console array, you will get empty array. So this is the easiest way to empty your array. Okay. Okay, this is the last one, and thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned. We will come with next tips and tricks of JavaScript. Okay. Okay. Thanks.